The Talks Club. Keep talking, keep learning.
So let me ask you all a question. How many of us sitting out here are a regular reader? I think if you are at the Talks Club, most of you must be. So, but still, let me ask that question. How many of us are a regular reader? Okay. If it is a yes, let me congratulate you that you are definitely on the right trajectory. But if it is no, let me tell you why we should make this a habit of reading something or the other each day. I'll focus on a few key reasons. The first one is it is an exercise for the brain. We exercise for the body, but reading is what exercise is for the body. The second one is it introduces us to the new ideas. Whatever we do, whatever we read, it gives us something new to ponder upon, something new as a food for thought, and we can inculcate some good habits, and we can work upon those new ideas and make something good and make something great. The next key reason could be we can be a better writer, because when we read, we try to take up the inspiration from the writer who has written that book, and we we just try to make all those good habits, good practices of writing when we are writing. So it makes us a good writer as well. There are many more such reasons which can make us a good super soul, but let me tell you one last reason which helps us to understand that why reading is good, and that is it makes us a good communicator. And when we are at the Talks Club, we are in that particular art of public speaking. It is a must that we have to improvise each passing day, and if we keep on reading, it will definitely help us add to the vocabulary and add to the knowledge of how to make good use of those new words that we learn each day. So let's make reading a habit, let's make it a habit from now on, and let's be a better person, let's be a super soul tomorrow.